嗨，大家好，欢迎来到第24课。Welcome to Lesson24. In this video, I will explain 3 finals. They are all a combination of 2 finals. And this time, we combine E with another finals, ang, ong, and eng. First one, iang, yang. Second one, iong, yong. Third one, ing, yang, yong, ing. So pay attention, the place of the air flow come out is your nose. Yang and ong can combine with only ji, qi, xi, not anything else. And ing can be combined with more initials. Bo, po, mo, de, te, ne, le, ji, qi, xi, and yi. The first character I'm introducing is chung, means poor. It's a combination of qi and ing with second tongue. Qi ong, chung means poor. And the opposite word of this is fu, rich. Combination of fu and u. Fu, chung, fu. Next character is think, or want, or missing. I think you should do something, or I want you to do something, or I miss you. So it's more like a feeling from your mind. It's a combination of xi and yang with a third tongue. Xiang, xiang. Last time I say is a heart. And ni means nin. So this is a sign of heart, your mindset. Xiang. Next one is a combination of bo and ing, fourth tone. Bo ing, bing. Again, this tongue sign have to be on the top of the vowel. Bing, it means sickness, disease, or ill. It can be a noun, can be an adjective, or a verb. It's very widely used. And this part on the top often means something related to sickness. Being. In here we have a combination of mu and le with ing. Both of them are fourth tongue. Mo ing, ming. Le ing, ling. So each of them means command or order. When you put them together, it's a word, has the same meaning, command or order. Ming, ling. In this slide is a combination of qi and iang with the second tongue. Qiang, qiang means strong, qiang. The next one is a combination of yi and ing with the fourth tongue. Ing, ing means heart. Qiang, ing. When you combine these 2 characters into a word, it means tough. Actually, it's strong and hard. Its emphasis means tough. Somebody is very tough. 强硬 Alright, This is all for today. Here we learned how to add two characters together to emphasize something. Like we learned 命令 means both of them means command. You put them together, make up one word, and become 命令, showing a stronger command or order. And the same for 强硬, you put strong and hard together, showing tough. This is the way how Chinese language organize the character into the word. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next time.